Moderate mag. 4.8 earthquake, Eastern Mediterranean, 35 kilometers south of Chania, Crete, Greece, on Sunday, August 13, 2023 at 10:49 a.m. local time, according to the NOAA, National Observatory of Athens reported. Updated, August 13, 2023 8:01 Greenwich Mean Time 16 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Overview, quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Greece, Crete, Attica. Moderate magnitude 4.8 earthquake at 5 kilometers depth. This quake is 100% accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.